This video will show you how to utilize the resources, tools, and features on Lexis AI to efficiently get the insights and information you need for bankruptcy work. Bankruptcy is a hybrid practice area, blending transactional and litigation tasks. Lexis provides practical content and tools to support clients in avoiding bankruptcy through diverse strategies. Find the top resources for bankruptcy attorneys on the Bankruptcy Law Practice Area page. In the Explore menu, click Practice Area, then access the Bankruptcy Law page. This page organizes bankruptcy materials by content type, including cases, statutes, administrative materials, secondary sources, and more. To gain insight into this practice area, go to Collier on Bankruptcy's 16th edition. This is the preeminent treatise in the bankruptcy field. Organized by bankruptcy chapter according to substance and function, Collier contains comprehensive analysis of statutory and procedural bankruptcy law. Let's say you want to learn more about Chapter 11 cases. Chapter 11 lets a debtor continue operations while restructuring debts, making it a popular option for distressed companies aiming to maintain business operations during and after bankruptcy. View the table of contents to find the sections of Collier that thoroughly explain the process of a Chapter 11 case. For assistance completing bankruptcy law tasks, use Practical Guidance on Lexis AI. The Practical Guidance Bankruptcy module offers a structured approach to managing bankruptcy cases by outlining essential tasks and critical deadlines. It streamlines the process for legal professionals, ensuring that all necessary steps are followed to mitigate risks and maintain compliance throughout the case lifecycle. On the Bankruptcy module, find a list of topics and tasks that correspond with a bankruptcy attorney's workflow. Select a task, for example, commencing a bankruptcy proceeding. Once a task is selected, find practice notes, templates, and checklists to support the completion of that task. Under Practice Notes, you will find resource kits like the Bankruptcy Fundamentals Resource Kit. Resource kits are highly organized collections of curated content and tools designed to support legal professionals with practical, hands-on information. You can leverage this resource kit to gain a better understanding of the fundamentals of bankruptcy and the different bankruptcy chapters. Within the resource kit, link out to other related practical guidance information such as timelines, charts, presentations, and trackers. This resource kit also points to information about commencing a Chapter 11 case and information on first day filings. Let's say you have been asked to draft a debtor in possession motion. Use the available template as a model document to work from. View the summary for an explanation of what this template is used for and find guidance on the process for obtaining approval for DIP financing. Practical Guidance can also be used for bankruptcy litigation and to track bankruptcy cases and legal developments. In bankruptcy litigation, court-linked dockets can be instrumental in searching for litigants involved in open, ongoing cases. Attorneys can track cases of interest and set up alerts for new bankruptcy cases to receive notifications when cases are filed, which is usually before the creditors receive notice of the case. Finally, Protégé on Lexis AI can assist you with many different research and drafting tasks. Use Ask to find answers to research questions as well as to surface practical guidance resources and secondary sources. For example, ask, what is an automatic stay in a Chapter 11 bankruptcy case? Protégé will run this prompt through the primary and secondary content on Lexis AI, then generate the response with inline linked citations so you can quickly verify and validate the response. Clicking a link will open the full text of the document within the Lexis Research System or Practical Guidance. Beneath the response, you will find a list of the authorities used in generating that output. In the draft functionality, you can generate customized litigation and transactional documents. For example, draft an argument for the appointment of a Chapter 11 trustee in a bankruptcy case under 11 U.S.C. 1104A to address fraud committed by the debtor in the Southern District of New York. Again, Protégé will analyze this prompt, search primary and secondary authority, then draft the response. Finally, you can upload a document such as a terms sheet or an asset purchase agreement into the Documents tool, then use Protégé to summarize the document, search through the document, analyze the document, or draft various legal documents based on the uploaded material. This functionality allows for a versatile and efficient review of key contractual details. By utilizing the vast array of tools and content on Lexis AI, you can now efficiently get the insights and information you need to support bankruptcy practice. If you want to learn more or need research assistance, please reach out to your LexisNexis representative.